Hello friends. Okay, today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I went on an epic hike yesterday. I met up with Taking on the Trail, Nick. He is such an awesome dude to like hike with. And he's very knowledgeable, which helps me a lot because I'm still learning about all things hiking, and I want to get into backpacking as well. That is like my goal for next year, is to do some backpacking trips and overnight trips by myself. Hopefully my puppy will join me. So yeah, let's get to it. I wanted to share with you my experience on this trail. We went to Loyalsock State Forest and did a loop trail that you can find on all trails. It is the High Knob Hill meets Loyalsock Trail meets Bridal Trail to make a loop. It says it's about 9.2 miles. It was over that. By the time I got to my car, it was like 9.30 on the app that I had. And the elevation is the highest that I have done at over 1,600 feet. At one point, I could have swore it said it was like 1,680 something. On trails it says 1,650. But I don't know. I'm proud of myself regardless of the exact number. It was still the highest that I've done. This trail was extremely difficult for me, mainly because I think I hadn't been hiking in like 2 weeks as far as like elevation and like really pushing myself. The last trail that I pushed myself on was the Old Bulldozer Road Trail in Ricketts Glen, and that was around a little over 1,200 feet elevation gain, and I thought that was pretty tough, but it was it was okay. I knew doing this trail I was going to really be pushing myself hard, which I wanted. That's how you learn and how you get better. You know, I need to get these legs in better shape. It was so fun. It's just a lot of going up right from the get-go. Like, you get on, as soon as you start, you're going uphill. And you get a little break, and then you go uphill again, and you get a little break, and then you really go uphill. I was able to get in some rock climbing action, which was fun, but after you've been walking uphill for so long, it's almost like, and now I gotta climb up these rocks. Which it was fun though. The view is great. I wasn't able to get the kind of video footage that I would normally like to. Again, this was difficult for me, taking on the trail. He just makes it look so easy. I'm like, I felt like a slug going up a lot of parts, but he was good about it. And I did actually throw up a little over half of the way. I think it was, yeah, kind of like in between half of the way towards like going back. It was on an incline, and sure enough, I was just like, I think I'm gonna throw up. And I did. And then it was like, all right, I'm good to go. Thankfully, Nick wasn't grossed out by it. He rallied me on. And I felt great afterwards, but it was just my body was in shock. I'm pretty sure it's like, what? It's all part of the experience, you know? Hiking is not easy, at least not all hiking. And I do want to improve like the difficulty of trails that I do. So it was a really great experience. I will actually go back again in fall, even though at times I'm just like, fuck this shit. Sorry for that. It's just in the moment, because I felt so slow is my problem. Yeah. I just gotta build up my endurance muscles and all will be good. You know, that's part of what I love about it though too, is the challenge. And it's gonna be different. Every season the trail's gonna look different. There was a lot of mud. There was no water. I mean, a little bit. We did find one really awesome, I mean, it was trickling, but it was still pretty, and the water was just so nice to touch and feel, so cool. Yeah, that was nice. I will show you that part in the video. I'm gonna have a few clips of what I did get, just to kind of give you an idea of, you know, it's still pretty, it's forest, but yeah, I just wasn't able to hold a camera and do all this incline kind of, yeah. I just wanted to share that with you because it was such an epic hike for me that I'm like, I can't not make a video even though I didn't get that many great clips. It was really a personal goal for me to achieve this kind of hike because I knew it was going to be hard on me again. Everyone's level is going to be different. It does say moderate to difficult, and I was definitely on it was difficult side. But it's great, you know, I feel good. It is the next day. My legs are sore, so I am feeling it today, but nothing too bad. It's just like, I'm just like, yes, Darcy, yes. I plan on doing another hike tomorrow. So I'm giving myself today to chill, and I gotta run errands and do other things anyway. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the clips that I share with you and did get. Get outside, people, right? And girls, ladies, come on, where are you at? Get on the trail. Hello, friends. I am ready to get back on the trail. Today I am at Loyalsock State Forest, and I am meeting up with a fellow hiker friend. You may have heard of him, taking on the trail, Nick. And we are going to do a 9.2 mile loop trail hike. My mind's a little scattered this morning. But yeah, 9.2 miles is what it says on all trails, and it should be a fun, glorious day. Be out hiking. I'm excited. Okay, we made it to the top of High Knob Hill. What a hike up, but very fun, very beautiful, as you can see. And yeah, time to keep going. Here's our waterfall. Hello friends, okay, so we are over half the way. We have like 3 miles left. It's been a pretty trail. The first part definitely was a killer, all uphill, but I did it.